Hi crafters, Amy here, and I'm just popping in real quick for a little mini haul from Crafty Meraki. So I recently acquired my first products from this company, which I'll just show you real quick. My husband is a deer and got me these from my wish list: fern leaf, the canopy leaf, the laurel leaf, and the olive leaf. He got me these for my birthday recently, and I have been having so much fun with them. So I had to order some more goodies. So that's what I'm going to share with you here. So let's open this up. I'm going to pull them out off screen. If I can get them out here. There's a nice little letter or card. So sweet. You're pretty awesome for shopping small. I love all these little stickers and everything. So festive, in the purple mailer. So cool. Well, anyway, there were a couple more things from that release that the ones that I gotten before were on that I wanted. So I added to my collection. This is the acanthus leaf. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but look, there's this cool detail in here. I'm assuming they're cut lines. They don't really look like embossed lines, so they'll probably cut these little bits, but put those cool details in to give you some perspective. Oh, I don't have an A2 size card base. I have half of one not folded, so here, you can envision this way here. So nice and big, but there is one big and one small, so I got that one. Then croton leaf, croton, I don't know how you say it. Same thing, it's got these little detail lines. So these would be really cool for fall or sympathy or anything year-round, honestly. So I'm excited to have those. And I feel like they'll mix and match well with the other ones that I got. And I got this Mila Meraki Flora Paradise. Look at these. So pretty. Again, all these details. I'm assuming they're cutouts, but I guess we'll figure out when I start playing if they're embossed or if they're actual cutting. I'm not sure. Actually, this one looks like it might be embossed, so it'll be a surprise, I guess. But anyway, these are about let's see how long they are. They're 4 inches long, so these are nice. So I'm assuming this is going to be pretty delicate, but that's where my micro dots are going to come in handy. And then last but not least, really excited about this. This is a cover plate die. So it puts all these cool stitching details in a panel. And this is A2 size. So really cool. It's going to put a lot of really fun detail. So I'll be able to mix and match all these products and use them with my other products. But I don't have much in terms of cover plate dies. So this one was really pretty and I wanted to get my hands on it. So I will link all these new goodies in the video description box below. And I'll also link the original 4 dies that I already had. So getting a nice little collection here. I'm pretty excited. Having a lot of fun. This is another woman-owned business here that I'm trying to support, small business. So if you aren't familiar, be sure to check out her shop. She has loads of really cool stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.